The Newmen GM682 is a compact 60% wired mechanical keyboard designed for users who want a smaller gaming setup without giving up the core feel of a mechanical keyboard. Its 60% layout is the defining feature, keeping the keyboard significantly more compact than a traditional full-size design by focusing on the essential keys. That makes it a practical option for gaming desks where space is limited or for anyone who prefers a cleaner, less crowded setup. For gaming, the compact format can be particularly useful because it leaves more room around the keyboard for mouse movement. Instead of taking up desk space with a number pad and other less frequently used sections, the GM682 concentrates on the main keyboard area. This makes the overall design more space-efficient while still retaining the wired connection expected from a straightforward gaming keyboard. The mechanical design is another important part of the package. Mechanical keyboards are generally chosen for their distinct key feel and responsive character compared with standard membrane designs, and the GM682 is aimed at users specifically looking for that mechanical keyboard experience. The wired connection also keeps the setup simple, with no need to consider wireless connectivity or battery management. The main trade-off is the 60% layout itself. While the smaller footprint is an advantage for gaming and compact workspaces, users who regularly rely on a dedicated number pad or a larger collection of dedicated keys may prefer a bigger keyboard. A compact layout also requires some adjustment if coming from a full-size keyboard, particularly for tasks that depend heavily on keys outside the main typing area. Overall, the Newmen GM682 makes the most sense for gamers and desktop users who prioritize a compact mechanical keyboard and a streamlined wired setup. Its 60% format is the feature that defines its appeal, offering a smaller footprint while keeping the focus on essential keyboard functionality. For someone looking for a simple wired mechanical gaming keyboard in a compact form, the GM682 is a focused option worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.